Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gwen Grace, an actor and model, and today we'll be reviewing LaLaLeaf's LaLaLip line. I have lemon and rojo in front of me. So this first one we're going to try is going to be the lemon scent. It doesn't actually really have a lemon scent, but that's just the color and the name that they gave. As you can see, it's kind of just like half of a glue stick sized, comparably. And so it doesn't really have a smell, so just be aware of that. And then this next one is rojo. So when you open it, you can see that it has a really beautiful red color, kind of similar to like cherry chapstick. All of their lip balms are made with 50 milligrams of CBD oil, avocado oil, beeswax, and calendula wax. They go on smoothly, but they're not necessarily the most hydrating in terms of if you're somebody who's in a dry climate or during the winter, I might switch up my lip balm for that. So my final thoughts are that these both get a 7 out of 10. They're really nice, they're vegan, and they're natural. So if that's something you really care about, I would definitely consider adding these to your arsenal. But as somebody who likes to have a more minimalistic approach, I think that these might not be my first choice because I already have some other balms that I might love more. But if I wanted extra ones, I definitely think I might purchase these. So that's all for today, and if you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe at Gwen Grace. I'll see you next time. New videos drop every Sunday.